Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 4X, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select battery, here it is, and then click on battery usage. Then you have to select battery saver, so it's the first tab, and now you can simply and quickly activate battery saver by tapping on the switcher. And that's it. From now on, low power solution is active, you can protect your device's battery and you can switch it off the same way. You can also activate turn off when charged function, also simply by tapping on the switcher. Then you can also schedule your battery saving mode, so simply click here and now just select the period of time, so let's select the start hour, it can be 10 and then end 6 AM next day. So from now on, every day between 10 and 6 next day, battery saving mode will be automatically activated to protect your device's battery and to extend its life. And you can also have a quick access to battery saving mode through the upper bar, simply slide it down and then select the battery saver icon. That's it, from now on it's active, and then you can simply switch it off also by tapping on this icon. And that's basically all. This is how you can protect your battery, how you can extend its life. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.